In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a group chat on Slack. If your Slack is getting crowded or a conversation is no longer relevant, leaving that chat is a simple way to reduce noise and stay focused. I'll walk you through the process from the very beginning so nothing is left to guesswork. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, click on the official Slack website. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you can access your channels and messages. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace will prevent you from leaving the wrong conversation by accident. Once you're in Slack, open the conversation you want to leave. This can be a standard channel, which usually appears with a hashtag icon and a clear name, or a group direct message that includes multiple teammates. Double-check the conversation header to make sure you've selected the exact chat you no longer need. If you're unsure, glance at the member list or the channel topic to confirm it's the right place. Now look toward the top right of the conversation header. You'll see a 3 dots icon, often called the More Actions menu. Click that icon to reveal additional options that aren't always visible on the main toolbar. It's easy to overlook, so make sure you're clicking the 3 dots for the active conversation, not for a different window or sidebar section. From the menu that appears, choose Leave Channel. If you're in a group direct message, you may see Leave Conversation instead, but the result is the same. You'll exit that thread so it no longer appears in your sidebar, and you won't get notifications from it. This step doesn't delete any messages. It simply removes you from future updates. Slack will prompt you to confirm. Click Leave Channel again to finalize your choice. You'll see a brief system note indicating that you've left. Your past messages remain visible to others for context, but you won't receive new activity from that conversation. A few tips before we wrap up. If it's a public channel, you can usually rejoin later by searching for it or being added back. For a private channel, you'll need an invitation to return. If you don't see the option to leave, your organization's settings or certain special channels may restrict it. And if you're just trying to reduce alerts without leaving, consider muting the conversation instead. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Slack, opened the Slack site, selected the channel or group chat, clicked the 3 dots, chose Leave Channel, and confirmed. Clean, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.